Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we have 50 1-cent coins stacked on top of each other in a column, and this column is 3 7/8 inches tall. So 3 7/8, if you plug it in your calculator, is 3.875 inches. And we're asked, which of the following is closest to the number of 1-cent coins it would take to make an 8-inch tall column? So the easiest way to do this is to say, okay, what is our rate of inches to coins? So we have 3.875 inches, and this is equal to 50 coins. And you could divide this by 50 to get the number of inches for one coin, but we're not going to do that because we're going to use this as a rate to find the height of all of these numbers of coins and then see which of those is closest to 8 inches tall. So if we multiply this rate by 75 coins, we'll get the number of inches it takes, or the number of inches it is for a 75 coin column. So in this multiplication, you have the coins unit is canceling out, which is what we want. We want it in terms of inches. So you have 3.875 times 75 divided by 50 is 1.5 inches. And again, this is why I didn't do divide the 3.875 by 50 to get the number of inches for one coin. These numbers work out. 75 divided by 50, we're about to do 100 divided by 50, 200 divided by 50. It's easier just with that, but you could do it either way. And this is going to be, if you plug it in your calculator, 5.8125 inches. So that's a little bit off from 8 inches tall, so hopefully we can get closer. So using this same rate, 3.875 inches for 50 coins. We use this rate to multiply it by 100 coins to find the height of that stack. Again, the coins cancel out. We have 3.875, so we check that off. Then we have 100 divided by 50 is 2, and then don't forget the inches. And this is equal to 7.75 inches. So this is a lot closer, but we have to check 200 to see if it's any closer. You might be able to see just from guessing that it won't be, because 200 coins is twice as many as 100, so this is gonna be twice as tall, so it's not gonna be anywhere near 8, but we should just check. So 3.875 inches is equal to 50 coins, and we're multiplying by 200 coins. The coins unit cancels out. We have 3.875 times 200 divided by 50 is 4 inches, and this is equal to 15.5 inches. So we have tested A, B, and C, and we found that they are roughly 5.8, 7.75, and then 15.5. So 390 is going to be larger than 200, so it's going to be larger than 15. It's going to be even further away from 8, so we don't even have to try D. And then we look at A, B, and C and say, okay, which is closest to 8 inches? So for A, we have 8 minus 5.8 is roughly at 2.2 inches away. We have for B, 8 minus 7.75, this is 1/4 of an inch away. And then C, 15.5 minus 8, that's 7.5 inches away. So pretty clear winner, 1/4 of an inch is the closest we get, and that's with B, which means B, 100 is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.